Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Stratos Pet Pro upright vacuum.
This corded powerhouse claims to tackle pet hair and dirt with ease. But does it live up to the hype?
Let's find out.
First impressions matter, right?
Well, the design of the Stratos may not be the flashiest, but it's all about functionality here. With its intuitive assembly and modular design, getting this vacuum up and running is a breeze. One of the standout features is the powered lift-away function. With the push of a button, you can detach the main unit for easy cleaning of hard-to-reach areas like stairs and corners. Plus, it comes with various accessories, including a turbo pet brush, perfect for tackling stubborn pet hair. But enough about looks, let's talk performance. With 3 suction modes and 750 W of power, this vacuum means business. Trust me, it feels like you've hired an industrial-grade cleaner.
And the anti-hair wrap technology?
Legit. Say goodbye to those frustrating moments of entangling hair from the rollers.
Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the odors in the room. The Stratos boasts an anti-odor system that promises to leave your home smelling fresh. The generous 1.3L dustbin means less frequent emptying, and the LED lights help you see every speck of dirt, even in dimly lit areas.
Plus, with a 5-year guarantee, you can rest assured knowing your investment is protected.
So, should you buy the Stratos Pet Pro upright vacuum? If you have a larger space, pets, or just appreciate top-notch cleaning performance, then absolutely.
It's a game changer that exceeded my expectations.
That's all for today's review.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product critiques.
Until next time, happy cleaning.